You know, the heat has not let up. It's been relentless since we entered the end of June to now. So our state continuing to dry out, and with it, a red flag warning today again. We'll likely see this at points again across the week. But today, this is in place from 11 o'clock to 9 p.m. in southern Oregon specifically. And it's due to thunderstorms that might develop. And it's the lightning within these thunderstorms that might spark new wildfires. They often do. However, lots of fires this year have been caused by humans. So please be as responsible as you can as you're recreating outside, especially across the weekends. No burning and adhere to those burn bans and be extra vigilant out there. There it is, that red flag warning also extending down into northern California for that abundant lightning. But we're also now seeing smoke impacting more of the state too. Lots of smoke out in central and eastern Oregon, but notice we'll see some high level haze shifting back into Portland. It'll likely be noticeable tomorrow. Now, if it will impact your air quality, hard to say right now because the smoke does look higher up in the atmosphere. But as we see the heat heading into tomorrow, we tend to see very still air, not much movement in our air column. So there is a chance that we do start to see some smoke or at least ozone impacting our air quality going into tomorrow here in Portland. So we'll watch that carefully. But again, lots of smoke out towards northeastern Oregon and all across the state as these southerly winds start to push that smoke north into the Portland area. Now today we have an air quality advisory for areas of southern Oregon. That's likely due to the Cow Valley fire. Also in portions of the gorge today due to the Larch Creek fire. Poor air quality at times through this evening for that wildfire smoke in place. And a peek at our air quality now, it actually looks okay. We're still in the good category here in Portland, but we'll keep our eyes on Tuesday because that might change as we see some smoke heading our way into the day tomorrow. Now, take a look here at our current conditions and peek outside. We're under gray skies right now. We have that marine layer that is snuck and pushed down into the Portland metro area. So a bit cloudy now as we set up our Monday. Low 60s here in Portland and will likely hover in the 60s, warming up towards the low 70s with more sunshine as we hit the midday hour and the afternoon. I do think these clouds will start to taper down as we work our way into the next handful of hours. And more sunshine too down the valley. Those clouds are mainly stuck right through areas of southwest Washington and Portland only, but sunnier the further south you go here in the valley. So today we're going to warm up. Expect to see the upper 80s today in Portland, low 90s down through Salem and Eugene, Medford even keeping the heat triple digits, and the upper 90s for central and northeastern Oregon, the Columbia Basin of Washington too, possibly seeing some triple digit heat. So we're still under this high pressure pattern here. Lots of heat expected in the state as we head into these next couple of days. Our futurecast, we still stay dry here. We're still under a nice high pressure pattern, keeping most of the moisture out, but we could see again those storms out in southern Oregon today, and through midday tomorrow we'll start to bring in that south push of some moisture that could rev up some thunderstorms again across the Cascades and maybe in central Oregon. So that fire danger stays as we hit tomorrow too, due to thunderstorms in the state here. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Again, our temperatures start to boost. Will likely spike them into the upper 90s by tomorrow. So KOIN 6 weather alert in place just one day, possibly in the upper 90s or close to the triple digits. That's Tuesday here in Portland. Then we'll stick with this above normal warm pattern with most days this week back in the upper 90 or upper 80s to low 90s.
Thanks so much, Kelly. Tracking an alert on the roads.